Hello, YouTube. I'm back once again for, not really a question, but this is a comment. I think this needs to be said right now. So, in Disney's comedies, Jessie, a teacher, spoke to Ravi and said, talking is considered cheating. And, basically, what he said, if he has something to say, he's going to be out of the school, too. If I was down there, if I was in that comedy series, I would have gone down to school and whooping his behind. Or I was stabbing him in the face and making him get some common sense. But hey, in the series, I might go to jail, but it would be totally worth it because what he says to Conor Roberts is just unfair. And that's just my personal opinion. So be sure to like and subscribe if you want to. I will read the comments. Thank you, and have a great day.